Foot up, foot up, foot up. Whee! Get up, get up, get up. Get up. Get up and pull it. Go. There's too many stones. Okay, you can fit up your bowling now. Say morning, Fizz. What you doing? Yeah. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I woke up this morning and made some breakfast because I was super hungry. So I made some breakfast and I decided not to work out this morning. Yes? Go and make your bowling. Take them out. And all out of nowhere, Tyler said, Mama, I want to go outside and play. So I decided to ask him what he wants to carry. He said he wants to carry his bowling. Go play up there. You want to carry his bowling. Come for the pins. And he wants to carry his truck, and he wants to carry his car. See one there. Set them up. So we're just out in the yard. Anywhere you want to, up there. Yeah. So we're just sitting in the garden outside. It's not that cold, but it's chilly enough for you to want a little sweater. So we're just sitting out here and let Tyler enjoying being outdoors since he's on vacation. So, no, you do it. Go on, you fit them up. You did well with the blue one. Bravo. Set up the rest. Right. Good job. More. Set up all of them. Good job. You need a good spot to put it. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so funny, they're falling. Don't put them too close or else they're gonna fall. Okay, how about, wait, let me show you where to put them. Ready to play? Wow, Babo! Yay! Good job. Oh, you missed. You missed. Two more to go. Wow! Yay! High five. Good job. All right, go set them back up. He loves outdoors. He's so excited when he's outside, and the view out here is beautiful. Hopefully you guys are having a good day though. Hopefully you guys are staying blessed and staying loved and staying motivated. And if your kids on break like my kids on break, just find something outdoorsy for them to do, because these kids love outside. No, put it back right there. Right there where the other blue one is. Right there, right there. Right, no, right there where they fall, where the orange one is. Yes, let it stay right there. Put the blue one beside the orange one. Okay. You can put them right in this spot. Okay. All right. Put all of them right there. Go on. Yeah. Yeah, where there's no stone, Mama cleared it for you. No, you can step in it. You can step in it like so. That's okay.
It's falling down.
See?
No.
So while Tyler is playing, this is my view, you guys. That's home. It's pretty cool out here in the garden. Nice little chill spot. You want me to help you?
Yes.
No, you do it by yourself. You're a big boy.
Yeah.
Bravo! No, you can hit it. Hit it. Go, go, go. Oh, yeah! Two more. Yay! One more. Oh, you missed. Yeah! Ding, 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 ding. High five. You're so proud of yourself, aren't you? Good job, baby. What are you doing? Oui, mais j'ai dans la cuisine.
Parce que tu veux être avec moi.
Non, pas maintenant. Ok, après. Ok? Don't be sad. Okay, let me just hide with you 1 minute, okay? And then I'll go back to do what I'm doing, okay? That's better?
Yeah.
You love when Mama hide with you?
Yeah.
But Mama is busy, Mama has things to do. Okay? So when Papa comes home, you will hide with you, okay? And Mama gonna go back to do what she have to do now, alright? Give me a kiss. Mwah. See you soon. He said he's hiding. I have been putting off doing the backsplash because I wanted to do it with Babe, but I just really want to get it on, and Babe is not here, so I'm going to attempt to put it on by myself. And I don't remember if I told you guys that we only buy a certain amount because we didn't know how it was going to turn out, so we just buy enough to kind of experiment at first to see how far it will go, and then we're gonna go back and buy some more online. So this is what it looks like, just like the kitchen color. I think it's perfect. Yeah, so now I'm going to attempt to put it on all by myself, and it's called peel and stick. So all that I had to do was get the area dust free and clean, and there is a protective plastic on the front, just like this, that I peel off, and then on the back there is the peel off stick. Let me see if I can find where that comes from. I don't have no fingernail, you guys. Uh-oh. Okay. I need to figure out where to peel this from, because I'm not seeing where to peel it from. Then I guess when I figure out where to peel it from, I'll show you guys. Okay, so I think we bought enough to go probably to the end of here, which is in that corner, but I'm not sure. Like I said, it's an experiment, so it's gonna be like this, and then this one is gonna meet it like this, and then there'll be a little space at the top, but I'm gonna cut to see how many blocks. It look like about 1 2 3 1 2 3, about 3-4 blocks should do up there. So this is basically what it's gonna look like, and I'm kind of excited to get it done. So let's do this, y'all. Okay guys, so I figure out how to peel it off, and it's like this, and when you peel it off there's like a silver sticky at the back. So I'm just gonna try and focus on take it off completely and then try and align it. That looks pretty good. Okay, first one's on. You guys, first one's on. Give you guys, see if I can, I could shut off that. Okay. It looks really nice on the wall. It will be a task to put on in terms of the design, because here have spaces. It's not as straight as the end. You have to pay close attention when you are sticking it. Okay, now what I realize is that I can't Okay, down here is glue. This white part all along here is glue. So I now realize that I have to bring it up a little bit from the glue because it's not really sticking to the glue, if you realize. It's not really sticking to the glue, but it sticks to the wall. So I may have to bring it up a bit, or maybe not. But I don't want to unpeel it since it sticks so well. I don't want to unpeel it, so let's continue with this and see how it's gonna turn out. But it looks cute. It sticks well, no extra push, and it looks alright. Now let's do the rest and see how it's gonna turn out. So that's what it's looking like so far. That looks darn good. It looks really, really nice. I'm excited about it, and it just fits perfectly with the kitchen. Okay, you guys, so that's where I'm at right now. So where is left to do is this little piece on the side and this little piece up here. So what I need to do now is measure to see how big it is, to see where I need to cut so I can fit that in and then fit up there. Yeah. Okay, you guys, look at that. Amazing. So that's the end result. Everything that I had took me all of here and leave just a little bit here and just a little piece in the corner. If you look in the corner real good, you'll see a little piece. It's not all the way to the end. So now we have an idea what amount to buy to take us all the way around here. But this looks pretty awesome. I wouldn't want to just do here and leave there. I want to do the entire thing. So I'm definitely going back on Amazon to order the rest and then finish it up. But it looks so amazing. Look at that. Oh my God. It looks so good. What do you want to say to thieves? Come, let me show you the new part of the kitchen. Come. Look at it. Look at that. You like it? It's pretty? So there you guys have the backsplash is up and it's well on its way. I highly recommend this backsplash, you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link down below so you guys can check it out if you guys want to check it out. I am making dinner with my new backsplash. Hey, it just looks so pretty. I'm just so excited. Anyway, you guys, dinner tonight is gonna be filet mignon and gnocchi. One sit time.
No!
Tyler, shh.
I'm talking to cheese. No.
Dinner is ready. Looks good.
It's ready?
Yes, but it's not yet time to eat. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Okay, we soon have dinner, okay?
It's ready.
let it cool first, okay? It's hot. All right. Short talk.
Don't make it sound
Beatrice
Beatrice
and
and
Sarita Jean.
Delaveaus.
So thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
He says he's going with Papa. Honey, you talk to the flag all day?
Me?
You can't say hello, it's on you.
Hello. Good evening. I'm not feeling good.
He's not feeling well. He came home and went straight to the bed.
I feel sick and
You need some rest. You've had a busy week.
Look,
What is that?
it's food. It's food like this. In the
Okay.
front
Tella,
side.
you're too sexy for the vlog. You're sexy.
No,
You're not sexy?
no, I'm sexy.
You're sexy leg?
This is sexy.
You say that sexy leg. Alright, sexy leg. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sexy leg.
Bye.
Hi guys. Well, it's the end of the day. It has been a rough day for me. I'm feeling sick one more time. I was feeling good this morning in terms of I was feeling better, but I'm coughing now. My head is hurting. I had to take 2 tablets. I just feel super exhausted from this week. I hope you feel better. And I'm going to give you the French expression.
What's the French expression?
It's going to be a word that's going to be cerveau. That's teaching the cerveau is brain.
Okay.
Utilise ton cerveau.
Me not have none.
No, you have one. Cerveau is brain.
Cerveau.
Right, cerveau.
Okay. My expression will be completely different from that. Or I should switch and give you something similar to that.
Give something similar.
Okay, basically give something similar. When you do something stupid or something that doesn't make sense in Jamaica, we say you're a big head bud. So when you do something stupid, you say, "Oh, I'm to that big head bud, yeah, man." Big head bud. You have no brain. Big head bud. Say it.
Big head bun.
Bud.
Bud.
And bud means bird.
Bird.
Yeah, we just say bud, we don't say bird.
Okay.
Big head bud.
You have no brain.
Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
You guys comment down below and tell me how you guys love the new backsplash in the kitchen.
It looks good.
And I'm just gonna have to go ahead and buy the rest to just finish it up, because you guys know how I am. When I start something, I just have to finish it and get it over with. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam. Bam, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.